Shubor nagaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ka jilla u Conrad ke sangma ulaong bakalong ka bajen jari ki bor ki bahalor bantem laka don em kata ka jingti Dewïong Be-Aiñ menta haki krem Dewïong ki badon shajengai ulaong bakan shimpor arsengi ban poi shakite ki jaka kabapen long ki bor ki bahalor bakan shem jinge ban poi dalade shakite ki jaka barulaong baki an ki don bankem yakinu kinu ki badon kti banle yakite ki kam Be-Aiñ Ulaong ru bautrai jongka krem Dewïong ka badan Hashalang West Castles District. Hakaba uwe unong ti Dewïong ula khlat no, bad uwe pat ulaman saujur kat ba kidang penlong ya ka jingti Dewïong Be-Aiñ hakatay ka krem. Shoshu Myntri Rangbah ula Kyntait ya ka jingkano jongka liang persya ka Trinamool Congress baka Sorkar jela ka Ailad banti Dewïong Be-Aiñ.
It was during the opposition's time when there was no action taken on MMDs. It is only when the NPP government and the MDA government came in did we start imposing the MMDR Act on it, made it more strict and more stringent for anybody who's involved in any kind of activity. So hundreds of cases have been filed, action has been taken against hundreds of people, a lot of people have been arrested. So one cannot just simply point a finger. I think they have to also realize that what is the things that they did not do during their time before they start pointing fingers.
Kindly read out the names of the
mines were
office bearers, the president of the NPP committee, and
it takes about 2 days to
confirm
get to these locations.
So
therefore,
I request Alam
for administration also for
and I request the members to kindly come to the stage.
physically
And if there's any more mufflers, I request volunteers to please bring mufflers to stage.
The entire system is
I request
there to catch
volunteers, if there's any more mufflers, and please bring to stage.
And those actions will be taken. The concerned person and the owner of that place has been arrested. And as I said, but these are way inside and very difficult to access. So these situations could be there, but as it is, the law is there to take action and punish the people who are guilty. That will be done.